Good morning, Ella. Good morning. Nak, good morning. Let's learn your ABC. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hi. Ella, what letter is this? Very good. What about this one? Very good. What about this one? Very good. What about this one? Very good. What letter is this? What letter is this, anak? Very good. What about this one? Very good. What about this one, anak? Orange. Orange starts with what letter? What letter is this? Letter O. Very good. What about this one, anak? Very good. What about this one? What letter is this? No more? No more? Very good. Yeah, I will get more. What about this one, anak? What letter is this? Come on, say it louder. Say it louder. What letter is this? Elvinis. What letter is this? Hey. Nak. Sinapot na. Elvinis. Come on, tell mommy. I will go to Peachy. I will ask Peachy. Okay, you. Oh, get more? Okay, what letter is this? Come on, say it, ma. Say it to mommy.